Granny Pep here. Welcome to the first Peptastic Extra. We're going to do some colored eggs today. They'll look marbleized. You need eggs boiled with 2 tablespoons of vinegar in the water, whipped cream. You can buy the squirty kind or you can make your own, food dyes of your choice, and some food-safe gloves, or you can just do it by hand and have some baking soda and vinegar standing by so that you can clean the food dye off your hands. I've only ever done this wearing gloves, so I'm not sure how well it works. But if Google is the be-all, end-all, it has to be true. Here I'm adding some erythritol to my whipped cream, but you can use sugar or any other sweetener that you prefer. I'm just going to whip it until it is firm, and in fact it looked firm, but it ended up being a little bit softer than I usually like. But as you can see, looks can deceive. So once you've got it whipped, or you can use your ready whipped can, you want to squirt it into a pan that is deep enough to keep everything from coming out. So this is just a casserole dish that I have, but a 9x13 dish would work also. Now I'm just using gel color, but you can use the drippy kind also, and then there are some nice natural dyes out there that would be just fine too. Go with what you like best. I try to keep the colors so that if they mix, it's a pleasant thing. So I've got blue, I've got purple, I've got yellow, and a little bit of pink. And now I'm just swirling that together. All that does is make it so that more color will touch the egg and it will take a little bit less effort. All right, here I'm donning my gloves, and here we go. Just roll your eggs around in the whipped cream and color, and you want to make sure the entire egg is covered. I'll set that aside, and once I've done several eggs, I might need to add some more color. So just repeat, put the color on, swirl it around, and do another egg or 10. Now I'm going to set those aside and let them wait for 15 to 30 minutes. It just depends on your patience and how dark you want the color to be. After that, just get a bowl of water and rinse off the eggs and then set them aside to dry. See the pretty marbling? And here's the final product. The way you keep your colors looking nice is keep colors that mix well. So red and yellow. You don't want to put red and green together because everything will just turn brown. Some folks like to rub a tiny bit of olive oil on the egg to make them a little bit shiny looking. But for me, this is fine. If you don't mind the color of the leftover whipped cream, you can use it on a dessert. But if you'd rather make it look a little bit more appetizing, put a little cocoa mix or hot chocolate mix in there. That will make it look brown and chocolatey and much more appealing. If you've enjoyed this Peptastic Extra, I would love it if you could give me a like and share this to somebody else who might enjoy it. I'll see you tomorrow when we celebrate the next fabulous holiday from Sandra Boynton's calendar.